Meaning of four-poster.
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 Four-poster. A four-poster is a type of bed with four vertical columns or posts, one at each corner. These posts support an upper rectangular frame, which was traditionally hung with curtains or drapes to create a private sleeping space. The curtains could be drawn closed to provide privacy and insulation from cold drafts. Four-poster beds were popular in Europe from the 16th century onwards and were originally used primarily by nobility and aristocracy. Today, four-poster beds are still manufactured and used in both traditional and contemporary bedroom settings for their aesthetic appeal and sometimes functional features such as storage or canopy options.